Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cauliflower egg fried rice with loads of veggies and delicious flavors too. And as always, I've written the full blog post, which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to pin, bookmark and save for whenever you want to make this lovely cauliflower fried rice. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment to let me know what vegetables you'll include in your cauliflower fried rice. So let me show you how to make it. I am going to start by cooking up a selection of vegetables. We've got some onion there, a whole zucchini and a whole lot of mushrooms too. You could really use any vegetables that you like, and in the blog post down below I'll give you loads of ideas for other veggies you can include in your cauliflower fried rice, but this I thought was my perfect veggie combination. So I'm going to heat up some oil in a frying pan. The ideal oil would be sesame oil, but I'm going to actually just use a bit of olive oil. You could use butter if you want instead, coconut oil, whatever you like, but sesame oil would bring the most beautiful flavor to it. But we're going to cook the veggies up and then get on and rice our cauliflower. The veggies are in the frying pan. Now you can add salt, pepper, any other seasoning to taste, and keep adding oil or butter, whatever you like along the way, until all of your veggies have cooked down and reduced and are ready for the cauliflower. While the veggies are cooking behind me, I'm going to see to my cauliflower. I've got a smallish head of cauliflower over here, and I'm really just going to chop it up and grate it using the big grater on my box grater until I've got a plate full of cauliflower rice. So it's really just taking the cauliflower, grating it on the bigger of the box graters, and you end up with cauliflower rice just like that, and keep going and grate as much as you like. And meanwhile the veggies are coming along nicely. It doesn't take long at all for them all to soften. I want them almost cooked with the cauliflower, and then the eggs won't take long to cook at all. And I have my plate full of cauliflower rice. We're ready to go and join the veggies in the frying pan. My cauliflower rice is in. We'll just toss it all through, get it to brown a bit, and meanwhile we will whisk up some eggs to pop over the top. For extra flavour, I've also added in about 2 tablespoons of tamari to bring it all together. And for the egg portion, I've just whisked together 4 eggs. You can do 3, 4 eggs depending how eggy you want it and how much veggies you have ready to go. So I'm just going to pour it over and mix it through. So I made a well in the center, we popped the egg in, and then it's just a matter of mixing everything through so it gets coated in the beautiful eggy goodness. And we'll just cook it until that egg is set, and we'll move it into bowls. And the cauliflower egg fried rice is done. It smells and tastes just like traditional egg fried rice, but there's little to no carbs in it. And it's in bowls. How much does it just look like? A bowl full of egg fried rice. It's so good and so delicious, and just such an incredible meal that the whole family will enjoy. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment to let me know if you give the recipe a try. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have all of the step-by-step instructions and loads of ideas for flavor and recipe variations. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!